Hello friends, in this tutorial we will be discussing about how to return a value of a function. Now until now we have just displayed the value of a function on the screen. We haven't returned the value. So return is an important statement while using a function. So let's check what the return statement does. So for example, I have here created a function named xyz, and within the function xyz we will just assign a variable c is equal to 45 and variable b is equal to 20. And now let's add these variables within this function. So for example, let's store the value of c plus b in another variable. So we have already learned about the addition operator, so we will use that. Now we know that the variable z or z, the value of z here is 65. So if we use the return statement here, return z, then we will be getting a value of 65. But if we run the function, let's call the function here xyz. Now if we run the function, it will not show any result. That's because we haven't done anything with the return value we have got. So here you can see that it's not displaying anything, because what returns does is just stores that value for future use or use within the program. So if you want a function to return a value and just store it temporarily for use in the program itself, you make the use of return. For example, if you want to display the result of this in the screen, you can just use document write, and within document write you can just use the function xyz. So let me just copy the function xyz into these brackets, and let's remove this from here. And now if you check it in the browser, it will just display the value of the function xyz. So let's save it and display it in the browser. Here you go. It displays the value of the function xyz as 65. So this is the way we use the return statement. Return statements are very useful in JavaScript and in any programming language for that matter. So please clear this concept, and if you have any doubts regarding any of my earlier tutorials or this tutorial, just hit up a comment below. I will be very punctual in replying to your queries. I can even use another say we are using alert to create a pop-up box. This is how we create an alert. So within an alert we will just use the function xyz. So here you can see that the alert is displaying the value of the output, that is 65. Now if I click OK, it also shows the value on the screen itself. So this is how we use the return statement. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and keep watching.